The more we get together, together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Hello, everybody. It's Teacher LJ. I'm so happy to see you today because I found a new storybook. Well, the last time I read a story, it was about a little boy named Pete, and he got turned into a pizza. Now, today I have a new story, and it's about a pizza. This one's about a little red hen that makes a pizza. And it's called The Little Red Hen Makes a Pizza. Have you ever seen this book before? Well, I'm excited to read it to you. It looks like she has some friends in the story. All right, let's sing our song to get ready to hear it. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen. This is how we listen at story time. At story time. All right. This is gonna be fun. Little Red Hen makes a pizza. Looks like she's going shopping. The little red hen had eaten the last slice of her tasty loaf of bread. She sipped a cup of chickweed tea and taken her nap. Now she was hungry again. So she scratched through her cupboard and spied a can of tomato sauce. Why don't I make a lovely little pizza, she said to herself. She rummaged through her pan drawer. There were bread pans, cake pans, muffin pans, frying pans, all kinds of pans. But not one single pan was large and round and flat. Cluck, she said. I need a pizza pan. She stuck her head out the window. Good morning, she called out. Does anybody have a pizza pan? Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Very well, then. I'll fetch one myself, said the little red hen. So she went to the hardware store. She bought a pizza pan, a large mixing bowl, a pizza slicer, and some other stuff. When she got home, she opened the cupboard. She saw some beans and rice, sugar and spices, jars of jam, jars of honey, and even pickled eggplant, but no flour. Cluck, she said, I need flour. She stuck her head out the window. Hello, she said. Who'll run to the store to get me some flour? Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. Very well, then. I'll fetch some myself, said the little red hen. So she went to the supermarket. She bought some flour, some salt, some oil, some other stuff. When she got home, she opened the fridge. Cluck, she said. There's cream cheese, blue cheese, string cheese, and Swiss cheese, but no mozzarella. So She stuck her head out the window. "Excuse me," she said. "Who will go to the store and buy me some mozzarella?" "Not I," said the duck. "Not I," said the dog. "Not I," said the cat. "Very well then, I'll fetch some myself," said the little red hen. So the little red hen went to the delicatessen. She bought some mozzarella, pepperoni and olives, some mushrooms, onions and garlic, a can of small anchovies, and some other stuff, but no pickled eggplant. When she got home, the little red hen put on her apron and stuck her head out the window. "Good afternoon," she said. "Who will help me make some pizza dough?" "Not I," said the duck. "Not I," said the dog. "Not I," said the cat. "Very well then, I'll make it myself," said the little red hen. So she put the flour and some other stuff into her mixing bowl. She stirred and mixed and mixed and kneaded and pounded all until she had a big ball of pizza dough. After the dough rose, the little hen rolled it flat and folded it and rolled it again and spun it around her head several times. When the dough was just right, she tossed it way up in the air one last time for good luck. And she put the she put the dough in her pizza pan. Then she stuck her head out the window. "Excuse me," she said. "Who will help me make the topping?" "Not I," said the duck. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the dog. "Very well then, I'll make it myself," said the little red hen. So she chopped up and grated and sliced. She opened her can of tomatoes and spread it all over the pizza. And on top of that, she put grated mozzarella, some sliced pepperoni, some chopped olives, some mushrooms, and some onions and garlic, 8 small anchovies, and some other stuff, but no pickled eggplant. The little red hen looked at her pizza. It looked just right. She put it in the oven and sat down to sip a cup of chickweed tea. Pretty soon, a delicious smell drifted from the oven. It filled the room and floated out the window. "My lovely little pizza must be ready," she thought. It was lovely, but it was not little. Wow, look at all those toppings. So she stuck her head out the window. "Good evening," she said. "Would anyone like some pizza?" Can you guess what the duck said? Can you guess what the dog said? Can you guess what the cat said? They all said yes, of course. But the cat scraped most of the toppings off his chair. When the pizza was all gone, the little red hen made herself another cup of chickweed tea. Then she asked, "Who will help me do the dishes?" Now, can you guess what the duck and the dog and the cat each said? They each said, what do you think they said? "I will, I will, I will." And they did. They're all helping. How great of them to help the little red hen do the dishes. The end. Snip, snap, snout. This tail is told out. Hello! I want some help! Oh, somebody needs help over here. Who could it be? No! Oh, it's the little red hen. Oh, hi! Hi, everybody! Oh, hi, Teacher LJ. Well, hello, little red hen. Oh, I really loved your story. Oh, that pizza looked so yummy. I was wondering if you could help me. Sure, what do you need help with? Well, I don't really want to eat pizza right now, but all the ideas made me want to draw a pizza. Would you help me draw a pizza? Oh, that sounds like fun. Do you want to draw a pizza with us? Oh, you do? Great. You go get your stuff to draw, and I'll get my stuff to draw, and we'll all draw a pizza together. Oh, fun. Okay. All right, Miss Little Red Hen, I'm going to put you right with me. All right, I got the board, and I have some markers. All right, so tell me, what do we need to draw first? Well, we have to draw the pizza pan. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to draw a big circle for the pizza pan. Oh, perfect. You could draw one too. Now what? Well, we need some dough, and it has to be flat and round and squished on the pizza pan. Oh, okay. I can draw that. I'm going to get a different color. How about green? Oh, that's funny. Why not? So I'm going to draw a round inside the circle, right around the edge. Kind of squiggly because it's dough. All around the edge. The dough. Can you color it in? Sure. How about, let's see. Well, I don't have any dough colors, so I think, ooh, I have brown. Let's do brown. Okay. Let's do it. I'm going to color it in. I'm just going to do it like this. It's fun to help you. Thank you so much. You bet. What's next? Oh, wow. I think we need some cheese on the pizza. Oh, absolutely. We definitely need cheese on the pizza. I love cheese. And I love the color purple. Can I use purple? Sure thing. All right. I'm going to pretend that I grated the cheese. And so the cheese is like little lines all on top. Cheese. You could do cheese, or you could do something else. It's okay, whatever you want to do. Cheese. Great. Yum. What else do you like on your pizza? Oh, I love pepperoni. Oh, yeah. Absolutely, you have to have pepperoni on your pizza. Okay. I'm going to use circles. Great. Here we go. Pepperoni. I like to eat. Pepperoni pizza. I like to eat. Like little circles. Pepperoni pizza. What do you like on your pizza, Teacher LJ? Thanks for asking. I'd love to put something I like on my pizza. How about, I actually do really like onions on my pizza. Okay. Well, I'm happy to share my pizza with you, and you can put some onions on there. Thanks. All right, I'm going to put little lines across to make my onions. great. Anything else you like on your pizza? Well, since I am a hen and all, how about, can we put some corn on the pizza? Well, sure. Corn's pretty special thing for you to eat, huh? Yeah. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. You know what? I'm going to use blue for corn. Blue corn. Sure. I've seen blue corn tacos and blue corn tortilla chips. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, can't get the cap. I need your help. Will you help me? Oh, sure. Okay, let's do it together. Oh, oh, oh my goodness. Woo, you're so strong. Thanks for helping. I love helping. It's so good to help everybody, huh? Help our friends, our moms, our dads. So important. Great, let's do it. Corn. I'm going to draw triangles for your blue corn. All right. Maybe we'll do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces of corn. Wow, that looks delicious. Let's see, do you think that's good? Oh, yes. I love it so much. I love that we drew it together. Thanks for helping me. Sure, let's put our names on it. Oh, good idea. All right, I'm going to put LJ here. I'm going to put hen here. Great. Yay. We like to eat pizza together. And we like to draw pizza together. It's fun to help each other. You can also help one another. All right. Sounds good to me. Thank you, my little red hen. Oh, thank you. Thanks, friends. All right, I think it's time to say goodbye. I'm going to put you down. I appreciate you sitting with me and drawing and helping each other, and doing things together is fun. And if you drew it just by yourself, that's fine too. All right, we're going to sing goodbye. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'm so glad you came to play. All right. Mwah. Sending lots of love to you all. Keep helping each other out. I'll see you soon. Bye.